Hello friends, welcome back to channel NEAT. We are going to continue with the topic that is known as biological classification. In previous class, we have covered the topic with respect to general properties of diatoms. In today's class, we are going to see the structure of diatoms. And we are going to discuss now about the structure of diatoms in detail. So let us now discuss about the structure of diatoms in details. So generally, diatoms is going to show you two particular layers, and you have some presence of a liquid material into it. Since this material is above, we call this as epitheca. This zone, the red color one, is below, therefore we call it as hypotheca. Epitheca is also known as epivalve, and hypotheca is also known as hypovalve. So these are alternative name probably that could be given in the question. The black color dot, what you can see here, which I'm just highlighting, this is known as parietal chromatophore. Chromatophore. So this is one type of a diagram that we could note with respect to diatoms. Let us discuss one more diagram on the same lines. So let us now see one more structure of diatoms. So it could be a bulk structure which could be noted in a circular form, which might extend to both the direction in the U-shaped form or the tapering form. So just extending its arm towards both the side. I'm not making it too narrow so that I get some space, and there is the same structure which will be underlying here, which I'm trying to draw with the blue marker now. So this is going to go as deep as possible in the same manner on both the arms. So as you can see, it appears that it is made up of two particular layers, and finally it is going to join together. So you have a presence of a nucleus inside it, with some fluid like structure present here. So now let's label this out. This becomes the nucleus, this becomes cytoplasm, there is an empty structure over here, what is called as vacuole. Now in the periphery, I'm just coloring out with green. I hope you can make out here. So this green coloration what I have drawn here, this is known as chromatophores. The red color line what you can make out here is edge of chromatophores. This is a diagram of diatoms. Frustule. So this is a structure that we could note in the diatoms. We'll stop up here today. I hope you have understood today's topic. Hope to see you in next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Bye.